How to apply for refund? Okay, refund function will be available after 3 days. Look at the status. If after 3 days made payment, your status still in awaiting tutor, you can request for refund. Okay, awaiting tutor means the tutor that you already selected still did not pay their application fee. Okay, go to action, click refund button. Okay, in this part, you need to fill in the required field, the reason and the bank details. Click submit and wait for admin verification. You are able to view receipt after admin verify and make refund. Okay, this is how you want to apply for refund.